So we're getting ready for Slime Vegas. We're about to leave. We got these boxes packed with slime. Everything is done and we're ready to go.
So excited.
Alright guys, so we just pulled over literally to take pictures in the sunset. We're in the middle of nowhere in Texas. We're back in the car after taking the picture spontaneously. Hi, Jamie. I look literally disgusting right now. Like, why do I look like this? But we are, how far away from Vegas?
13 hours.
13 hours. So, quite a bit to go. It's gonna be fun.
A lot of more pictures.
I can't hear you. Okay, ew, so you can see every detail of my skin right now. But right now we are in Albuquerque, New Mexico, and it is 12:06 in the morning. It's pretty nice here, not gonna lie. This is the view from like on top of this hill. There's all of Albuquerque. I'm probably saying that wrong too, but so pretty here. Oh yeah, and Denny's. You can't forget Denny's. Beautiful view. Okay guys, so I know you can't really see anything right now, but we're right about to walk and go see the Grand Canyon. We're gonna watch the sunrise. It is so cold. It's like 30 degrees, right?
Yeah.
So it's pretty cold. So I have a blanket on. But yeah. Oof, it's so cold. Missing someone. Everybody's setting up for Slime Vegas. No, you can't be in it. This is my booth. We got, you know, the merch, iconic. We got 32 ounces. I almost said 40 ounces. Yeah, how iconic is that? We have DIY Shamrock Shake. Obviously Jamba Juice. It's not an event if I don't bring Jamba Juice. And Dice Baby. The stand and all my different types of wristbands. Guys, so the event started. It's kind of loud, but everything is really cool. We have Allison running the booth. We're right by Slice Shop. And it's actually so crazy in here. There's also a food truck out here called Strip Cheese. Oh my god, hi!
Thank you.
Okay, so now I'm going upstairs for a VIP like lunch thing, and I get to sit down with people and talk. I'm bringing my grilled cheese. This is art. This is beautiful. Of course, I'm the first person in here, but they even have like all this food. It's insane. then I'm at this table with Nicolette, and there's like little questions and everything, and pretty much people are gonna come and sit with us. We're just gonna chill and eat and talk. I think it's gonna be really fun. Hello. Hi guys. So story time. Sorry this is being filmed on my phone. I know it's not the best quality, but I just need to add this into the video so it'll make a little bit more sense. This is one of the weirdest things that's ever happened to me. So basically there's this lady, okay, we were just sitting waiting for our Uber to come, right? We were sitting outside of our hotel, minding our business. This lady comes up to us, flashes us, literally pulls her bra up and just flashes us, and we're like, hi. She's just like, hey. And then she started telling us that she was wealthy and she was in the mob and that she was a rapper. Also, pay attention in the video. She literally peed her pants. No joke, she really did. Like, you'll see. Her shirt's all torn open. And I asked her if I could film her rapping because she was apparently a famous rapper. She let me, and I'll just let you guys see that for yourselves. Here you go. Yes.
I work for the API. And I'm a spy. I work for the ABI, the CIA, the DEA, and Metropolis. I'm an undercover mom, and
hell yeah.
I don't give a f.
So now that you've seen her amazing rapping skills, let me just tell you what happened afterwards. Oh yes, there's more to the story. Our Uber finally pulls up, and me and Jamie are like, all right, let's get in this Uber. We gotta go. Like, this lady's being kind of crazy, and she started following me to the Uber, right? So here's like the street, okay? We were like right here. So Jamie goes on this side of the Uber, and of course I get in right here, like behind the driver. This lady tries to get in the car with me, and she's like, you know, a white girl gave me $20 once, and I was like, okay, like, cool. And she was like, yeah, let me get in with you. And she's trying to get into the Uber with me. I was like, oh my God, is this real life? Is this really happening? And the valet people had to come up. They had to just like be like, ma'am, no, get away from her. Like, it was crazy. And I don't know. That was probably the craziest thing about Vegas. I will never forget, but I just wanted to explain that because the video just doesn't do this woman justice. Enjoy the rest of the video. Hi. So this is Roxanne's giant 80 quart mixer.
It's really clean.
It's so clean. Like, is that borax? Oh my God. Oh, you know what? I'm not gonna open that. I will break it. That is crazy.
Is this drinking water?
I think it's activated. So cool. Her giant scent wall.
Yeah, I'm gonna do that.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, good idea, good idea. Hey!
Hey, Joe. So now I'm going shopping. I have a little shopping bag. Joe went in.
I went in.
He got so much stuff.
I even got these macarons in here. So cute.
This is Slimer heaven. It doesn't get better than this. It really doesn't. Like guys. Like, look at all these. Oops, sorry if you guys bumped into your butt. Actually, I'm buying this one, so I need these pieces. Did you get them? That's my butt. There's so much storyception going on here.